welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. How are y'all doing today? So if you can't tell from the title, I'm excited. We're getting into the new BH 24 color opalescent palette today. I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here. Also, we will be doing a kind of like, I'll tell you like what I think about it and a review at the end of the video. But as of right now, let's talk about the palette for a second. Look how beautiful the package is. I mean, hello. I mean, you get this big mirror. It's messy because I've been playing with it. You get 24 shadows. These are matte and shimmers, and you can get this for $19 on the website as of right now with 25% off. Tomorrow, I think it goes back to $21. So you get these beautiful colors. It is so beautiful. Y'all already know how I feel about BH Cosmetics, so I'm not going to get into that until the end of the video. And I also picked up the new Bombshell brush set. So we're going to be using this on the eyes as well today with the palette. We're going to get into the tutorial part, and then at the end of the video I'll be giving y'all kind of like what I think, how I feel about the palette. Make sure to check the description box even if you look at it while you're listening to me, because all the good stuff is down in the description box. I'm going to have previous BH tutorials. I'm going to have a code for y'all down there for BH Cosmetics, which is not my own, but we'll get into that at the end of the video. So you guys can follow me on all my social medias. Everything's linked down below. So you guys, without further ado, let's just let's get into this video. Alright, so here is the palette. The first shade we're going to go into is going to be Gorgeous, which is this brown shade right here. I know I'm going to have to use the purple because I know that's what everyone is waiting to see. And before we even get into it, let me just tell y'all, it is one of the most beautiful purples I have ever seen. I'm going to start this kind of as my transition shade. I am going to swoop this out and in, blending this out and kind of feathering this out just a little bit from all the way into my inner corner all the way out. Now we're going to go into Mystic, and this time I'm going to use the BH number 5. The previous brush I used was a number 4, and this I'm going to pack at first, and I'm just going to pack this right and deep into my crease, and then I will lightly start bringing this out also, blending it into the inner corner. I'll go in here until I get the desired color that I am looking for. I mean, these shadows blend out super nice. I'm going to start dragging this down onto my lower lash line. Also packing this right here on the outer corner. Now that I have that, I'm going to go in with the previous brush that I used and just lightly blend this out. Now that I have everything nice and blended out, I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base. This is the primer that I used at the beginning of the video, and I will use this, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut my crease. So for this, I'm going to go in with this is my Sigma cream color. This is an E58 brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease, and then I'm going to kind of act like it's going to be a full crease, and then I'm going to stop right about here, and then I will cut it back down like this. Okay, now that I have it cut, tap all this out, make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm going just to tap this outer crease. So now I'm going to dip into these two. I'm going to kind of make like a little mixture here, say, and I'm going to start packing this from my inner corner out. I'm trying to make sure that we get right up to that line. And I'm actually going to go into that Captivating shade, which is a little bit darker of a gold, more of a gold. I'm now going to take Star, which is the light shade, and I'm going to just wet my brush just to add more of a highlighty effect. In with that deep brown, and just make sure that everything is nice and blend in. Great, so now I'm going to go in with the BH liquid liner and do a wing. Okay, so now I'm going to go do this to the other eye, and then we will come back. I'll have my lashes on, we'll finish up the lower lash line, and we'll talk about this palette and see what we think about it. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on and my other eye done, which was a pain to try to get these liners to match, and they still don't even match. And you know what? It's just gonna have to be how it is. So now we're going to dip into the purple shade for the lower lash line. It's purple. It's called Wish, which it's so beautiful. It's just a very beautiful color. And I'm gonna take that BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and I am gonna hit up that lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to just coat my bottom lashes. My liner's messed up on this eye right here. I'm gonna explain to y'all for a second. I did not like this when I first did it, but now that I have had it on for a minute and I've been able to look at it, think it over, see it on my face, I kind of like it. Y'all seen how it performed? Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it something that you're gonna pick up? Is it something that you're not going to pick up? I absolutely love it. Y'all already know how much I love BH Cosmetics. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. Is it worth $21? Yes, it is. So again, you can pick this up on the website for $21, and I like it. I recommend it. It's not too bold, it's not too bright. It's more of like everyday soft glam kind of wear, which I know that a lot of y'all like. Everything blended out perfectly. The brushes, amazing. Really can't beat BH prices at this point. So I do recommend it. So there's my thoughts. That's what I think about it. I love it. I'm just gonna keep saying it. I love BH Cosmetics. I am going to be doing another tutorial with this palette tomorrow. I'll probably do a few more tutorials with this palette, so you guys keep a lookout for that. Okay, so about the code, I don't have a code, but I have a friend, a dear friend who's very close to me, that has a code, and I will leave it down in the description box for y'all. I believe it gives you a 10% off coupon, and it is an affiliate link, so she does make a percentage off of the money if you use her code. So you guys go help her out. She is amazing, and if you're not following her, her name is Nessa Sunshine. Go follow her. She's on my main page, my suggested channels, so you guys definitely go check her out. Other than that, you guys, I really hope that you like this tutorial. Again, everything's going to be in the description box. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, you can subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell if tutorials is something that you like. I do a little bit of everything. Have a very blessed day. Have a blessed night, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Tomorrow, actually. So, bye y'all. Don't forget to go spread some love and kindness. Somebody just might need what you have today, and you might be the only Jesus that somebody sees today. So go give someone your love and your kindness.